Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make $151,000 on Facebook in 1 month. Let's go. Go to Facebook Ads Library by typing in this URL. What you want to do in here is type in 50% off plus free ship. Click on filter. Make sure you set it to active ads, and for impressions by date, set it to at least a month before. What this is going to do is going to allow you to find products that are currently selling on Facebook. The reason we can validate that they're selling is because we set the date at least a month before. If ads have been running for a product for that amount of time, that means that product is making money. This is the first product that I found. This company has been running ads since October 1st for this specific product. From here, you want to go to AliExpress and find the same product. Once you find the product, go to Shopify.com so you can start creating your online store. Once you get your Shopify store, get the Oberlo app. This is going to allow you to import the product to your store. Then go to your competitor's product page. They're selling it for about $30 and getting it for $5. Once your Shopify account is ready to go, start creating your product page. Once your product page is done, you want to start running your Facebook ads campaign so you can start driving traffic to your store and getting